Hey guys, this is Zealot. So it's having charging port issue. So the charging port is damaged, as you can see, is damaged. So we want to run the connection on this Zealot. So I've used a meter to trace the positive, because as you can see, there's no place you can solder a new charging port, but we can jump it, do some jumper that can enable the Zealot to charge when you plug your charger on it. So I've done the tracing. So this very IC is a power IC, the positive IC. Yes. So we're going to draw the positive from this one. Yes, from this one. So we're going to put a wire from this very one, then to the charging port itself. So as you can see, this is the charging port. So we're going to draw it, the positive, and put on this very first pin. Then the earth wire, we will just drag wire from any of this place. Obviously is earth. You can just drag wire from either from this earpiece connection, and put it to the earth, to the minus part of the charging port. So let's do the connection and see how the result will turn out to be. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, drop your comment. It's very helpful for us. Thanks to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always being there with us. We will continue to supply you guys with more videos. Now let's dive into this tutorial step by step. So I'm going to show you how I do the connection. So just watch, stay tuned to the end of this video as we show you the result of this video. So first of all, let's unclip this. So just put this guy backward, as you can see. Put the other one backward. You see, it's out. Then you can just neatly pull this off. So you need your charging port, you need your jumper wire. So in the description, I will show you how you can get this jumper wire if you don't know how to get it. Yes, so I will tell you in the description. So just check on the description, you'll see how you can get this jumper wire. So I want to use so you need the mechanical lead. Yes, this soldering paste. So you need it to run this one successfully, because that what will help you to coat your wire successfully. So let's jump into this video. So as you can see guys, I've run the connection on the charging port. You see the jumper wire, you can see it. So I've run the jumper wire on the charging port. So fix them with their various location. So now the next thing is to fix it on the charging board. So now I will show you how it's being fixed. Sorry guys, I've been able to video the whole process just to avoid this video not to be too long. So I will show you the next place now to see how it's being fixed on the board. Zoom closer, come closer. So I later change it, run the connection to this very one. Yes, so later run the connection to this very one. This is the positive, which is also here. So if you don't have any thing here that can connect to this one, you can just run a jumper from here to this very one. But on this very panel, I have a little place that I can connect my leg to, so I just use that one to connect it. Then drag the negative to this very one, as you can see. So now let's see the results. Can you see? So this is it. So now let's couple it back. So this is it. let's see how it's going to turn out to be. So let's cooperate. Sorry. Alright, so you can see this is the charging port. So you see, see, that is it. So drop your comments so I will continue to give you guys more video.